Good day everyone. My name is Jeric Cyril P. Herrero from Bachelor of Engineering, major in Mechanical 1D. Today, I will be presenting logic. The conjunction and disjunction. Conjunction will return true if both true value is true, otherwise false. Nagre-represent siya sa opposite letter V, patayo. So, makikita natin sa table na to, ang value ng P and Q ay parehas na true. So, kapag in-evaluate natin to as P and Q, magiging true ang value niya. Dito naman sa second row are true and false. So, hindi sila parehas. Automatic magiging false siya dahil kinakailangan under conjunction ay parehas na true yung truth value. And the third one are same false. Lastly, false kasi walang parehas na true. Proceed naman tayo sa disconjunction. Disconjunction will return true if at least one of truth value is true, otherwise false. Dito sa instruction, yung letter B ay kailangan at least one true. So number 1 are same true. In that equal into true. Ito naman T and F true, F and T true, and lastly false.